Hi, in this video I am going to share how you can create email workflow inside Gohighlevel and a live email workflow creation for a client. So a lot of you have confusions about whatever things that you need to build inside Gohighlevel for a workflow, like how much part is client going to send you and what are the parts that you need to build inside Gohighlevel. So the answer is it depends. For us, like the way we are working in this workflow, the contents and emails are already being sent by the client, and we need to build the structure and build the workflow inside Gohighlevel. Okay, so let me start from the sketch. This is the raw document that client has shared with us. So here you can see the email 1, email 2, and email 3. So this is a four emails workflow that is going to be built inside Gohighlevel. So let me log into Gohighlevel. So this is the account that our client has shared. So first of all, this is the funnel opt-in workflow. Okay, so whenever anyone fills a form and they opt in for the funnel, then they will be added inside our contacts tab and they will be tagged also. Okay, so once they are added inside contacts and they are tagged, based on that tag we will trigger a workflow. Okay, so you can see this is the workflow that I have created, and I will open this three magic questions opt-in workflow. Before that, you need to build a form, as it's a uh, opt-in workflow. So you need to go to sites, then go to forms, then you need to tap on the add a form and tap on the start from scratch. Once you tap on the start from scratch, the form builder will open and you need to rename the form. Here you will see form 4. I need to rename the form. For us it's magic 3 magic questions, and here you need to put the details that the client will share with you, like the questions and all. I will not save this form because the form is already created. I will just go back. Once you created this form, you need to go to automation. Then you need to go to 3 magic questions opt-in workflow. There is the workflow builder. Here you need to add the trigger. The way this automation will work, like whenever anyone fills the form, this will be a trigger. So the trigger will be form submitted. Add filter, select the form. Form is 3 magic questions. Done. Save trigger. This is the action part. Okay, just tap on the plus icon. The action will be add a tag. This is the first action. So let's say this will be 3 magic questions. Add new tag. Save action. Plus this will be the second action. So now we need to see the instructions. So this is the instruction. Workflow 2, 3 magic questions final opt-in. Send thank you email with the PDF after 2 days. So this is important. After 2 days this email will be sent. So here you need to give a function, the wait function. Just search wait, select the wait, and it will be 2 days. Save action. Also rename it wait for 2 days so that you can identify from here. After that, just tap on the plus icon and you need to send an email. Send email. From name, from email, subject you can find from the instruction. From name and from email part you will get from the client. Alright, so there is some mismatch in the instruction and in this document. We need to send an email immediately after opt-in. Then the second email will go after 2 days. So we need to change. So I am building it live, so you will see all the fuck ups and all that I will do in the live building. Okay, so we need to change it here. So let me create the email first, then I will change the sequence. Just copy the email one subject. This is the subject. Paste here. This is the body. So in your case, you might need to create the email as well. For us, the client has sent the email contents. So I will just copy and paste here. You can use ChatGPT or any other tools to create the emails, but don't copy paste as it is from ChatGPT, because you know what I mean. Contact first name. Thank you for updating. Just read once if there is any custom value. This is the custom value, because if you don't put the contact first name custom value, then it will not trigger the first name. Okay, so just read the email once. If there is any custom value, then you need to remove that and put the custom value from here. As promised, here's a PDF. You need to link it with the link. Just copy it and tap on the add link. Okay, it's already added. Perfect. Perfect. Just color it so that it stands out. Yeah. Then go through it, start using the questions in your instruction and watch how they open rows to deep conversation about interview. Solution done. Now just you need to save it, because there are no custom values anymore. So just save it and just check once if everything is done or not. Save action. And here also just put immediate. Save action. Now as per the instruction, we need to put it, we need to move it after this immediate email. Move action, move here. Now it's done. After this, we need to go to the second email. So this will be the email 2, and it will be after 2 days. I will copy it, the subject line. So this is the after 2 days function. Then I will send an email. The same way we need to put the custom value and read once the entire email. Done. So that's how you need to put all the emails after the second email, third email and fourth email. So you need to put the function. If there is any waiting period for 1 day, 2 day, then add the emails as per the instructions. So that's how you need to build your opt-in funnel inside Gohighlevel, and you can save it and submit it to client. Once client approve it, you need to publish it and make it live. So that's all. Thank you.